Hi, today we're talking about animating with Google Slides and tall tweets. So here is my Google slide, and I found this picture of a monster truck. So I am going to copy this slide, Command C, and then I'm going to move it forward with my arrow button, just a touch. Then I'm going to copy that slide, Command C, and move that forward, and Command C, Command C, Command C. I'm going to continue to do this. Now, this really teaches students, of course, diligence, patience, and how animation is actually done. It's done one frame at a time. So once I get all of my frames in here, which give me a little bit of time here because it's only gone just a little bit, but I'm doing a Command C on the slide, and then I'm moving it forward with the arrow key, and then Command C again, move it forward, Command C, move it forward until I get them all in here. Once I get all the slides in here and I've moved my truck the way I want it to, now I'm going to go to this site called Tall Tweets. Now, Tall Tweets is really, really cool because what it's going to do is it's going to take my Google Slides and it's going to animate them for me, turn them into a GIF for me, which is really, really cool. I'm really, really excited about that. So let's get over to Tall Tweets and see what that looks like. Here we go, talltweets.com. Now this will take a little while, so be prepared to be patient. So first thing I need to do is I need to find the slideshow that I want, right? I find it. It's going to connect with my Google. Of course, I'm going to have to log in with Google, and this is going to take a little while. So the magic of Hollywood here, we're going to do it a little bit quicker. All right, so there's my slideshow. So now I need to add some parameters. So I'm going to do 800 pixels because that seems to be a really good size. And for the amount per slide is 0.2 on that second line. And now I need to put in the slides. So there is a form that I have that a link to it. It has all the numbers in it. So I know that it is number 1, I believe, through 56. So I'm going to highlight all those numbers because there's a comma in between each one. Okay. And once I finish and I highlight them, I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to put it back into my Tall Tweets, so I don't have to type each one in. So there's a link to this form in the book. Okay, so I say create, and now we wait. And sometimes we wait a little while. So again, magic of Hollywood, we're going to do it a little bit quicker for you. And there is my GIF. It's beautiful. The truck is going across the slide, and even a little puff of smoke comes out of the back end. Now I have the choice of downloading this and saving it or doing it again. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and download it. I'm going to put it into my Google Drive, and I can use it within Google Docs or anywhere because it's a GIF. That's kind of it's considered an image even though it's moving. And that is how we animate using Google Slides and Tall Tweets. Thanks for watching.